you do it at 12.8 miles an hour.
Yeah, I can't go.
That's as fast as I flew. There you go, Joe.
There you go.
Use the ricochet. Hey, Anthony. Have Uncle Tim help you. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we just
Roll it, Ant.
Alright, well hold it, Anthony just threw the ball.
Go to the
It's
middle.
going down, it's going down. Oh, good job, buddy. He's here. He's safe. Call me when you get up there.
Hey.
What's that?
Alright, just